welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing my first BOXYCHARM. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to subscribe to BOXYCHARM for a while. Finally just took the plunge and did it. And let me just say, I'm so excited for this box and to get the subscription service. It's $21 a month, but I got rid of Ipsy and Sephora Play. So it kind of like evens out. So now I just get Allure and BOXYCHARM. So I'll have the link down below to BOXYCHARM if you would like to subscribe. What it is, you get 5 to 6 full products. I think it's usually 5. Yeah, of really nice products, and obviously it's over the $21 mark, so it's a good deal. So let's get into it. The theme for this BOXYCHARM is Afterglow. It comes with like a little sheet, and it has their social medias on the bottom down here, and then they have all of the products listed here and how much they are, which is very, very helpful to me because I like to know, you know, how much I would be spending. So let's open it up. And a little disclosure, I've used a couple of these products because I was so excited, and I don't know, maybe I can give you like a little bit of a review on it instead of doing like a full face. Let's start off with the first product. It is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Full size, it retails for $24. Everyone knows this mascara. Everyone loves this mascara. I am actually not the biggest fan of it. I've used it before. My lashes get too clumpy, so I'm not the biggest fan. My sister loves it, so I'll probably give this to her. So lucky you. Yeah, but really, really good value. Full-size mascara. Very, very good. Next, I got this Pretty Vulgar highlighter. It's a shimmering swan highlighter, and I've used this. It is so pretty. Like, it is one of my new favorite highlighters. It has kind of like a pink tint to it, but it is still so nice. And this product retails for $32, and I was surprised because this is plastic packaging, but it is like super pretty packaging. But I don't know, for $32 I wouldn't spend that, so I'm glad that I have this. You can get Pretty Vulgar at Sephora, I believe, or Ulta. I know you can get these in stores somewhere. So yeah, it's a Pretty Vulgar brand. This is the Touch in Soul No Problem primer. Get it? Like no problem, but no problem. Very pretty glass packaging. Has a little pump. I have used this and I love it. It has very much of like a lotiony, pore filling consistency, but it really does even everything out. It does reduce your pores from what I've experienced so far. This retails for $18, so already we are way, way past the $21 mark. We are actually past it with the first product, the mascara. So awesome. 2 more products. We got this Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. Looks like this. Just has a little cap right here. Doesn't really smell like anything. This says that it will soothe and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. This retails for $22. Yeah, I haven't used this yet, but I am excited to, and I'll use it whenever I'm done with my other cleanser. And the last product is this Trustique Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. It's a really pretty shade in the shade English Rose. So I'm actually wearing this on my lips today. I put a gloss on top, but what it is that there is a primer on this side, and it just kind of mattifies and preps your lips for the lip color. And then on this side is a little lip crayon. So I wanted to try this out before I came and filmed this video. I put a Morphe lip gloss on top of this, and I think it's really pretty. I really like the color. I don't really know if I like this applicator. I found it really, really hard, but then it was also easy at times. So it was also kind of like a balmy texture, and it was a little bit uneven in some parts, so I'm glad I put the gloss on over top, and it's super comfortable. I don't feel like I'm wearing anything. And also, this is magnetized. Like, that's so cool. It's like a kind of little fun effect. This retails for $25. So the total of this whole box is $121. So we actually got $100 more than what we spent on this box. my opinion, I think this was a great first box for me, and I'm so excited to get BOXYCHARM. I just love it. I think all their products are great, and I love how they're all full size. It really does help instead of a lot of sample sizes. So yeah, I'm so excited about that. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!